Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And if not, then I thank you for coming back. So yeah guys, if you see me in the same shirt, it's because I've done 2 videos in one day. So yeah, let's get started. Here's another Ispy subscription, guys. Yes. I think these are nice. So we're gonna see what we got this month because I have no idea. This is the little bag that we got for this month, guys. They give some of the cutest little makeup bags, I think, guys. Yeah, I really like them. So yeah, guys, if you like what you see here on this channel, please subscribe, like, and share it. So, yeah, in this month, you know, they don't give us a card. I don't think they. Yes, they do. I lied, guys. I lied. This one is called Ispy November Glam Bag, I guess. This is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna read it to you. It says, Happy Friend Day. Oh, it doesn't say Happy Friend Day. I might need to go get my glasses. But anyways, it says Happy Friendsgiving. Say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis. And go. So they have makeup here and somebody hits back with some more makeup. Hopefully you guys can see this. I don't know. But I'm gonna try to let it so you can see it. That's what it's looking like. And then it says, you're that's only 4. There's no emoji for highlighters. And then some of the emojis on the bottom cracking up, guys. LOL, he's really laughing out loud. So yeah, really nice. But anyway, it comes with these 2 face masks, sheet masks. And this one is called Up in the Clouds. This one's a cool, fresh, luxurious. Best for frequent flyers, it says. Benefits of it is intense hydration, rejuvenating, plumping, and nourishing. So that's going to be a nice face mask, guys. And the next one says, Glam and Glow, cool, fresh, and vibrant. A night out, it says. Benefits is radiant, boosting, even skin tone, and energizing. So this is what this one is looking like, guys. So yeah, I can't wait to try those out. I need some face masks. So let's see what they got. Okay, and I didn't get to open up anything, so we're going to have to open up some stuff, guys. Let me see if I have something real quick I can open this stuff up with. I haven't looked in these bags, so I don't open up nothing until I get on camera, and then I realize I have to open up stuff. So let's see. First thing I got out of the bag was this see, I tell you, they don't intend for us to get into any of this stuff. This one here is called, and if you guys hear any noise in the background, I'm so sorry, but my son is in there playing this game. We have the NYX NYX Turn It Up lipstick, and this is in the color Toulouse, TULS. Okay, well, let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, this is a really dark color, guys. I don't know. That's pretty right. Ooh, beautiful. Let me see. I might put some of this on. Let me see. I wonder, should I put it on over there? Let's see. It's kind of dark, but I could get with it. Kind of dark. Yeah. So that one is what this color is, guys. It's really pretty, but it's a little darker than what I like to wear my lipsticks. But I better get used to it because that's what they're into, these vampy looks. So the next thing we got in here is called Catherine, and this is a, what is this? Royal Plum eyeliner. Oh, I need this color. I don't even own a burgundy eyeliner. And guys, that is what that color is looking like right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Right here, guys. Yes, I can't put none on now because I have black eyeliner on. I'm excited about that. And the next thing we got in here is called a brow wand eyebrow pencil, and this one is in chocolate, guys. See if I can get this one open. Let's see. That just shows that I be waiting on you guys, waiting to open it up with you guys. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, guys, you see that? It has a very big tip on the end of it, but it's small on this side. Let's see if it's kind of easy to work with. I mean, you know, looks like that. This one right here, guys. I know I got a lot of lines on me, but it looks like that one. So I think it'll be okay. We're gonna try this out in the video, and this is called, what is that? Stone brow wand. You know what? This is the only thing I don't like about Ipsy. It doesn't come with a description or anything like that. And on the other end, guys, it has a wand. I mean, you know, where you can do your eyebrows with. But this is a nice pencil. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna let you guys know. Well, you guys will see me use it in the video. We're gonna use it in the video. Put that over there. And the next thing we got, guys, is called Foiled Again. Foiled Again. You guys noticed in my last video when I said all they want to send me is green eyeshadows. Let's see what color this one is. Let me see how you open this. Oh. Shoots. Looks like this, guys. I didn't get green this time. It's gray. So let's see what this. Ooh, it's so soft. Oh my. And this is by the Balm, guys. Wow. This is by the Balm. Let's see. It's a nice color. Gray, silver looking color, guys. That's it right there. Looks like that. Yeah, guys. At least it isn't green this time. Wow. So. Well, guys, I think I have really enjoyed my Ipsy bag for this month. I enjoyed it this month. Yeah, I've been thinking about letting Ipsy go, but I don't think I will. I like Ipsy a lot, so I don't think I'll be letting. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not even looking at you. I don't think I'll be letting Ipsy go. I have thought about it, but I don't think I'm going to let it go because they have some nice stuff in their bags too. It might not be, you know, as you know, there's a hit and miss with Ipsy. I'm gonna put it that way. It's a hit and miss with Ipsy. But guys, I don't think I'm gonna be letting it go. So. Yeah, so stay tuned for more Ipsy unboxings and reviews. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And guys, don't forget to turn that notification button on so that you will be notified whenever Yannie comes with a video. So yes, guys, always remember to love on someone, no matter who they are, because tomorrow is not promised. And yes, guys, I love you guys to the moon and back. I'll see you guys in my next video.